Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to use the Expedia points. So let's get started. So first of all we'll just open here our browser. So at the browser you have to open your Expedia. Then you need to go to the Expedia. Okay. From there you likely search here at points Expedia. Okay. So at your live search. So to use your Expedia point, basically you have to log on with the account, whichever account you are having the points, whichever you have booked previously. The same account you have to open and you have to go to the my point at under the payments option. So from there you can just use, or you can use directly website. Okay, you can just join and get like you have previously have joined. So you join your Expedia and you can just redeem your point after doing like on doing the payment. This is how we can just use the Expedia points. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.